Well, I'm a dog person, so. Now, are we shutting this door?
Yeah, we're shutting that.
Okay.
All right. This is my own business.
Cool.
I've been doing grooming for 15 years and been doing mobile grooming for about 5 years. And I like it a lot better because you don't have to take them in and leave them all day in a cage. And
Right.
groom them. And they take less than an hour and they're done.
Well, that's cool. All right. Well, whoever that weather guy was saying it was going to be nice was way wrong.
I saw a shotgun in his little apron.
I'm ready to go.
And I use all natural shampoos.
Oh,
this is oatmeal.
Very important.
Oatmeal and aloe.
Oatmeal and aloe. You just pour a little on. Like that? Okay.
She knows she gets a cookie at the end.
So this cookie policy at the end, is that just for the dogs?
Well, you can have it. They're actually all natural and they're made of peanut butter and molasses.
Oh, all right.
Some dogs would try to jump out the whole time to get soaking wet.
I would. I'd be trying to jump out the whole time. It looks much smaller all wet.
Finished product. Just got a little bandana.
Oh, beautiful.